I don't have a long morning routine. When I wake up, I'm ready to go. I love life, and when the alarm goes off, I'm excited about the day no matter what it is. I am a stand-up paddleboard guide and instructor. Once I found that I could actually be outside and create these experiences as a career, and I knew that I'd made the right choice. Charleston is located in the Lowcountry of South Carolina. So we've got creeks, we've got big rivers, barrier islands to go explore. I enjoy the freedom that paddleboarding gives me. Your point of view is literally different. You're standing. You can see into the water rather than being right next to it. In this area, we have a lot of shorebirds, pelicans, oyster catchers, laughing gulls. And we have a lot of dolphins that like to call Shem Creek home and a lot of the Charleston waters home. Shem Creek is historical. It has been a working creek with a shrimping fleet, also a mill street where they used to mill the rice from the plantations. And it's beautiful because it's still got that working component, but has tons of nature sprinkled in everywhere about it. It's several miles long, it winds back and forth, and there are very few areas in Charleston that have that diversity. The great thing about this area is we have a lot of local flair as far as restaurants go. Great happy hour spots, great cocktails, great views. There isn't really a bad spot for a sunset on Shem Creek. That's what makes Shem Creek magical. To be around water, to experience life. So depending on what you're looking for, you can find it in Charleston.